Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Vijay Dhananish. Today we are going to see one of the interesting advanced SQL interview question. Title of the question is Uniquely Staffed Consultant. Before moving into that, if you guys have not yet subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe. It motivates me to create a content like this. Okay guys, let's see what they're asking for. As a data analyst on the people operation team at Accenture, you are asked with understanding how many consultants are staffed for each client and how many consultants are exclusive staffed to the single client. Write a query that displays the output of the client name and the number of uniquely and exclusive staffed consultants ordered by a client name. Okay guys, I will explain you more in the visualization manner. Okay, right now we are having a data like this. For example, employee ID, project ID and company name. In this example, we are having two companies, company 1 and company 2. Right now you can see there are 4 employees allocated to company 1, which means there are total number of staff for company 1 is 4. Similar to that, we are having company 2. Now total number of staff allocated to the company 2 is 5. I hope right now you are completely aligned with me. After that, we need to see which employee or else how many employee are exclusive to the company 1 or company 2, which means, for example, you can see 1001, the employee 1001 also works in employee 2. So this particular employee working for both the company, they're giving service for both the company. Okay, so this guy is not exclusive. Okay, at the same time, employee ID 1002 works only for company 1. There is no 1002 in these categories. Got it? That is the reason there is only one employee exclusive for company 1. Similar to that, we are having 1004 and 1006 employee ID working only for company 2. They are not working for company 1. That is the reason we are having 2 right over here, company 2. Got it? I hope you guys have understand the question. I'm going to create a backend table for the overall tables, which means we need 2 more tables to make this operation. If you guys want to see the solution, feel free to skip to the solution part. Create table employee 4, because I already have a few more employees table in my database, that's why. And I'm going to create a 2 columns, employee, it should be integer value, not none. We should not give a primary key right over here, because there is a possibility multiple employees, sorry, single employee assigned to multiple client, and not none. Okay, right after that I'm going to create a procedure statement to make this more dynamic way. I don't want to repeat the insert into statement again and again, that's why. Delimiter and I'm going to create a procedure for employee 4 data creation. In that I'm going to begin the procedure and I'm declaring I, it should be integer value, and the default value was starting from 1, while I'm going to end while I lesser than or equal to 100, because I want to create 100 rows in this place, that's why. Insert into employee 4 table, sorry, employee 4 table, which is employee ID and engagement ID. Engagement ID nothing but it was a client ID. Values, this is where we are going to make the data as a dynamic part. 1000 plus, because I want the employee ID in a 1000 multiplication. Floor random value of into 40. I am creating a 100 rows but random value of 40. I need a repetition of employees. Floor random 6. This is for client ID, which is engagement ID. Finally, I am going to set the increment operator for I. Yeah. Right after that, I'm going to call employee for data creation. Okay, I'm going to create a table first, schema for the table. Yeah, we got a table, and I just want to check. Yeah, there is nothing inside it. So I'm going to create a data for it. It was running. I'm going to run it again. Yes guys, we got an output. So we have generated data for employee table. After that, I'm going to check how many employees are working only one company. Okay, just want to know how many of them. Employee ID count of, because we have generated a value in a random way, right? That's why our data was working fine or not. Group by employee ID. Let's run this. Yeah, we also have few peoples working only one company, right? These guys, these are the people who marked as exclusive staffs, exclusive employees. These guys are repeat guys not considered as exclusive employees. Okay guys, let's create a client table. For that, consulting engagements, engagement ID, it should be in a int and primary key, auto increment. And we need project name also, it should be in a varchar. Not null. Finally, we need a company name. Okay, let's insert our data for this. Yeah, completed. And after that, we need to create a CT table, common table expression. For that, I'm using a name for exclusive employees, because as I previously said, we need exclusive employee as well as the total employee, right? I'm just creating a CT only for exclusive employees. In that, I'm going to use select e dot employee ID I need only that employee ID who is exclusive from employee 4 as E. I'm going to join consulting engagement with this as C on E dot engagement ID equal to C dot engagement ID. I'm going to group them up by E dot employee ID, because when we are grouping them, if there is a count of employee ID is 1, that's the exclusive employee, right? That is the reason having count of company ID should be equal to 1. Yeah, right after that we need to select a, we are using a select statement. Select ce dot, yeah, I will come this part because I need to create few more parts after that. Employee 4 as T stands for total employee. Left join. Again I'm joining with consulting agents engagements as C. But at this time we need only total employees engagement ID equal to C dot. Actually, after creating the value, I didn't run the code. Yeah, we have the data for consulting engine engagements. Engagement ID. And again, I'm doing a left join with exclusive employees which we have created using CT as E on TE dot employee ID should be equal to E dot employee ID. And finally, I'm going to create a group by statement C dot company name and order them by C dot company name. And we need a value which means columns. C dot company name is the main thing we need. After that I need to get a count of total employee like we have shown in the Excel as total employees. Similar to that, I only need exclusive employees because we are using a group by statement. That's why I'm using an aggregation operator as count. Even though I'm using a count operator, it won't give any extra values. Okay guys, I hope this is everything we need. Let's run this. Yeah, yes guys, this is output. Company ABV Research Insight doesn't have any exclusive value, but they are having total employees as 12 and 15. Only KY associate assigned with 2 exclusive employee and XYZ Analytics assigned 3 exclusive employee. Okay guys, I'm going to keep this code in my description box. If you guys want me, use this. Let's see you in the next challenge. Bye bye.